If your GMC Acadia is struggling to connect with Apple CarPlay, follow this guide to get your infotainment system back on track. Studies show that over 70% of infotainment glitches are caused by simple cable or software handshake failures. Let us start by isolating the root cause of your connection dropouts. Start by swapping your cable for a certified one and clearing all existing pairing data from both the phone and the head unit. Always ensure your phone is running the latest iOS and check for any pending GMC IntelliLink firmware updates from the dealer. Debris in your charging port or a worn-out USB socket in the center console are frequent hardware culprits for erratic connections. Most software issues can be resolved at home, but if the port itself feels loose, you may need a hardware module replacement. Replacing a cable is cheap, but hardware repairs at a dealership will reflect both parts and labor costs. If all else fails, a hard reset by disconnecting the battery can often clear persistent glitches in the infotainment computer. Keep a basic toolkit handy, including compressed air to clean out your ports, which is a common and overlooked fix. Remember, consistency is key, and if your connection is intermittent, the cable is almost always the weak link. Try these steps in order and you will save yourself a trip to the shop. Thanks for watching and drive safe.